welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing some things that I've picked up recently as far as organizing products go in my house. And also I want to show you a couple of drawers that I reorganized that weren't really done yet since moving in. And I am using some of the things that I bought today. So some things come from Dollar Tree, some come from Ross, some from Walmart, and I think that's, oh, Ollies, that's another place. But I just wanted to show you guys a couple of things in case you're looking, and also to give you a little bit of ideas as far as organization goes. I will be doing a full kitchen organization tour at some point, but I'm not really there yet. So for now, I hope this encourages you and motivates you in some way just to kind of get things working. I love when things function properly, and I love when it also looks nice in the process, but I don't like having to spend a lot. So I'm just gonna show you what I got and how I use them. Okay, so let's just start with the stuff from the Dollar Tree. First of all, this is one of my favorite things to get from there. They have the short size, which is this size, and then like it'd be half the size of this, if that makes sense. They're really sturdy. They have like a grippy thing on the bottom, and then also little grippy things on the bottom of the container as well. And they just work really well to like organize things. And I got like 9 of them the other day, of these really long ones, because I'm thinking of putting them in my kitchen for organizing the bigger utensils. And also I picked up some of these acrylic containers. I've not used these before, but they come with a lid. I'm guessing I probably won't use the lid, but I was thinking of using these in my bathroom possibly, or it could also work in like a junk drawer or something. This is what the smaller size looks like, and if you see them in the dollar store, you may want to grab them. They do have black on occasion, and some Dollar Trees don't even have them, so I don't know, maybe they stock them and they just sell out really quickly, I don't know, but I really like these. This container here I also recently got, but it is from Ross, I believe, the utensil container. It's by Made Smart, but I did pick this up and it fits in here, plus I have room to kind of put my extra stuff in and so forth. Continuing on with some things from Ross, I got 2 of these tiered shelves to put in my pantry for my cans. So these were a couple dollars each, I think. And also at Ross, I got these jars. I got 2 of them, and I picked up another one at Walmart. When I bought them at Ross, I didn't realize that they don't have like a suction thing, so I'm still trying to figure out if they're actually going to work for my dry goods. Some people say that it doesn't, others say they've not had problems, I don't think. So I'm gonna kind of keep an eye on it. If it does create a problem, I'll probably just use it for something else. I mean, these jars are always nice, but I really like the look of this. If you're looking for them, they're like $7 at Walmart, I think, maybe a little more. Also at Walmart, I got this 4.5 cup container for like dry goods, just to add to my pantry collection. I don't have this type, but I do have the OXO brand in several different sizes, so I think that'll work fine with that. And this one was, I'm thinking $4 or $5 maybe. And also I went to Ollies and pretty much bought out their white containers here. This basket, it's like a, I'm trying to think, I'm not sure what size it is. Let me look. It might tell me on here. Okay, it's an 11 by 9. I think maybe they were $3.99. So I bought like 5 of them to put in my pantry shelves as well. And also, I picked up this basket at Ross, and it's a rolling cart. And originally, I had thought I would use it in the bottom of my pantry as like my dry goods or whatever, but it's actually too tall, and I debated about taking it back because it was like $25, I think, which in all reality, it's a really good size. Like anywhere else, it would have been a lot more. So in the end, I decided why not just use it for a toy storage, and I'll show you guys where I put it. So while I don't have everything organized yet, the boys do need room for toys and stuff, so I thought, hey, it could fit underneath the steps, and it does perfectly. So, you know, it kind of hides some stuff back there. I actually have some more things back there I still need to figure out systems for, but I like it. It kind of, you know, looks half decent at least. So this is what my drawers are looking like right now. It's just obviously not really working. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do yet. I didn't want to have a whole thing of utensils out on the counter, but I guess I could. I do have another big drawer over here where most of the other ones are, and this just does not work for me. It may for some people, but I don't like to have to dig, and it's hard to find stuff, and so I need to come up with a better system. That's why I had intended to use the deep, long containers that I got. So I'm gonna see what I can do. I always like to start by taking things out of their place and starting fresh. We also lined the drawers with the marble contact paper. Okay, so I feel pretty good about everything. I may end up switching a few things, but I think it's gonna work. I put the baking stuff over in that one. This one I decided to just kind of keep all the rest of the stuff that I use besides baking. Plus I have my pot holders, and then I just have like openers, and then this is like slicers and spoons or like big dippers, and then this is like ladle type of things, strainers, and then I've got a couple of miscellaneous items back here that I don't really reach for a lot, so I'm gonna put those in there for now. There's like a garlic press, or what do you call it, something like that, and then like a pizza cutter, apple slicer. I don't use them a whole lot, so I think that's gonna work out well, and you know, they stay pretty good. I could put some extra sticky tack down if I want to, but I'm not worried about it. I have used these in the past, and I think it'll work out great. I think I like this drawer the best. Probably because there's my copper in here, you know me. But this is more or less my baking side of things. I did stick my one big knife over here, and then I have my measuring cups and spoons in here. I've got my cookie scoops, ice cream scoop type of thing, and also a couple of random baking items. This is not necessarily a baking item, it's like a an egg slicer, but it just kind of fits in there nicely, and I don't use those very much at all. And so then here is like my beaters for my mixer, and also a thermometer. Then I have my Pampered Chef spatulas and my whisk, and then all of my what do you call these little things? Schaaflin. We would say Schaaflin in Dutch. I can't think of the name right now, but that's what I have in here. So all in all, I feel really good about that. I think it's gonna work out. So then up here on the countertop, I just have my wooden spoons and stuff like I had before, because they look a little nicer with the aesthetic. and then I have a couple of random things. Now, should we address the junk drawer? I don't know. I don't know if I want to tackle it today. It looks pretty bad. We still don't have an office set up, and so all of our papers and everything we've just kind of been putting in here. To be honest, I don't really want a junk drawer in the kitchen. I just don't really, but I may have to succumb to it for a while, and I'm pretty sure I could make it look a little better. We'll see. If I do, I'll show you, but I also have some other things I could be doing right now, but yeah. Well, I did decide to kind of go through some things, and while I don't know that it'll stay this way, I at least made it look a whole lot better in my opinion. I just kind of have my mailing stuff or supplies in here, as well as a few bank things, and then some of the other stuff we have to use I just kind of put in here, just random things. I use those containers, and I have pens and stuff in here, and then my lighter, and just a couple various things. So it looks a whole lot better than it did, at least. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys have any ideas, or if you found some things recently that I should know about, let me know. I'd love to hear that, and I'm sure I'll be shopping for some more things as I go along. Thank you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!